स्टूडेंट, मैं संजय सिंह एसएसटी टीचर ऑफ विष्णु भगवान पब्लिक स्कूल. In previous chapter we have completed the first chapter of geography, resource and development. From today we will start history, the making of the global world. The making of the global world. Global world. In this chapter, first we will start globalization. What is globalization? Globalization, it is in Hindi considered वैश्वीकरण. What is globalization? First we will study about the definitions of the globalization. What is globalization? Globalization can be defined such a way. Globalization can be defined, it is an interconnection among the different countries of the world where people are allowed to migrate from one country to another country and freely trade from one country to another country without any trade barriers. Flow of capital as well as technology among the different countries of the world is considered as a global world, and the process is known as a globalization. Shortly, we can define to the globalization that interconnection among the different countries of the world where people can migrate from one country to another country without any restriction and freely flow of trade as well as capital and technology is considered as a global world, and the process is known as a globalization. Globalization word is made up of two words. First globe, and second lization. Here meaning of globe is model of earth, global globe, and lization means process. In this way, the word meaning of globalization is converting to the entire earth into the globe, means reducing of the distances. I'm not telling about this. मैं इस वे में नहीं कह रहा कि हमारे अर्थ का सरफेस छोटा हो रहा है या कन्याकुमारी से जम्मू कश्मीर या जम्मू कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी की डिस्टेंस कम हो रही है. 3214 किलोमीटर से ये रिड्यूस हो रही है, या ठीक है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट सच वे. I'm talking because of the development of the transportation systems, the large distances now can be covered in very short times. In very ancient times, only Asia, in time of Sikandar, only Asia is considered as the entire world. We don't know about America, about Latin America, about Africa, but today every piece of land, not only every piece of land but also in the sea, we have known that Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the Pacific Oceans and deepest part of the earth, and Mount Everest, which height is 848 meter, is the highest part of the earth. Means because of improvement of technology and transportation, the entire world has become just like as a globe. This is globalization. Now we will start about old routes. Yeah, many times in exams they are asked like what are silk routes? Old trade routes. Old trade routes are they are also known. Also asked that what are silk routes? What are silk routes? So as we know that in ancient times the silk of China as well as textiles of India, very much silk of China and textile of India were very much famous in the European market. Silk of China and textile of India very much demandable in the European markets. That's why the reason different European traders came to from Europe to uh, China and India for the trade of silk and textile. The routes by which they were coming from Europe to China and India were known as a old trade routes or silk routes because of because of trade of silk, these routes were known as a silk route. We can say that these were the first trade routes, okay, and they were very much important because they were because by these routes people were sharing their culture, their language, and their traditions, okay, and sharing of cultures, weaves, language is also the part of the globalization. Now we will study about the foods become global. Foods, globalization of the food material. Globalization of the food material. Globalization of the food materials. As we know that in very ancient times, in the starting of globalization, there was no flow of the modern technology, but at that times there was a expansion of the food crops, food materials which was produced or generated in a particular country, and by the merchants they were carried to in those countries by which they were trading. The example of globalization of the food material is first noodles. The origin place of noodles is China. It was first time produced in China, and by the Arabian traders it was carried to different western countries, and in those western countries noodles was come to known as a spaghetti. It was known in different western countries by spaghetti. This is important question that by which name was noodles known in western countries. In western countries it was known as a spaghetti. This is important questions. So after that remaining part we will cover in the next lecture.